Hey kids, welcome to Salar's cartoon. Today we're going to learn the ABCs together. Are you ready? Let's go. AI is for apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. Yum. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. C is for cat. Meow. Cats love to play just like you. D is for dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are our furry friends. E is for elephant. Elephants are big and strong. F is for fish. Splash. Fish swim in the water. G is for giraffe. Look at that long neck. H is for house. A cozy place to live. I is for ice cream. Cold and yummy, what's your favorite flavor? J is for jelly. Wobble, wobble. K is for kite. Flying high in the sky. L is for lion. Roar. King of the jungle. M is for monkey. Swinging from tree to tree. N is for nest, home for baby birds. O is for owl. Hoot, hoot. Owls are awake at night. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Q is for queen. Wearing a shiny crown. R is for rainbow. So many colors. S is for star. Twinkle, twinkle in the sky. T is for tiger. Stripes and fierce. U is for umbrella, keeps you dry in the rain. V is for violin, beautiful music. W is for whale, the biggest animal in the ocean. X is for xylophone, ding, ding, ding. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra.